Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In today's complex regulatory environment, selecting the correct international standards for your medical device is not just a technical task, it's a foundational strategic decision. The right standards pave the way for smoother regulatory submissions, faster market access, and most importantly, ensure patient safety and device efficacy. But how do you choose from the thousands of standards available? We'll provide a clear framework. The journey for almost any medical device manufacturer begins with a core set of standards. The first and most critical is ISO 13345, with the latest version published in 2016. This is the internationally recognized standard for a quality management system, QMS, for medical devices. It provides the framework for everything you do, from design and development to production and post-market activities. Compliance isn't just best practice, it's a prerequisite for market entry in major regions like Europe, Canada, and Australia. In a significant move, the US FDA announced on January 31, 2024, that it will be replacing its long-standing quality system regulation with a new rule based on ISO 13345, making this standard more critical than ever for US market access. This new rule will become effective on February 2, 2026. Next is ISO 14471, the standard for risk management, whose latest version was released in 2019. This standard outlines a systematic process for identifying hazards, estimating and evaluating associated risks, and implementing and monitoring the effectiveness of risk controls throughout the device's lifecycle. Regulators worldwide expect a robust risk management process compliant with ISO 14471. It's not about eliminating all risk, but about demonstrating that the medical benefit outweighs the residual risks. If your device includes any software, even as a small component, IEC 62304 is non-negotiable. This standard, last amended in 2015, defines the lifecycle requirements for medical device software. It provides a risk-based framework for safely designing, developing, and maintaining your software, classifying it based on its potential to create a hazard. Another critical area is biocompatibility, governed by the ISO 1993 series of standards. ISO 19931 provides the framework for evaluating the biological safety of your device based on its materials and how it interacts with the human body. Beyond these foundational documents, your device's specific characteristics will dictate further standard selection. Does your device need to be sterile? Look to standards like ISO 11135 for ethylene oxide sterilization or ISO 11607 for packaging. Is user interaction key to its safe operation? Then IEC 62366 on usability engineering is essential. The key is to start with the foundational standards, quality system, risk management, and software if applicable, and then build a portfolio of product-specific standards that address all aspects of your device's safety and performance. Aligning with this comprehensive suite of standards from the beginning of your project is the most effective way to streamline your path to global markets. If you need help navigating the complexities of global market access and selecting the right standards for your device, please check out Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.